This 2022 Forest River Cherokee 304BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 1 inch in length and features a Sequoia interior, sleeps 11, air conditioning, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee 304BH is 8,688 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.